I'm starting a Clickbank affiliate marketing case study, which I'll be conducting for 28 days, so exactly 4 Clickbank weeks, with the first day starting today. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Clickbank week starts on Wednesdays at midnight Pacific Standard Time and goes all the way through the following Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. at Pacific Standard Time. So this would be a great starting point. And essentially, we are basically looking to see which of the different organic traffic sources that I use is going to be the most effective for promoting this specific product, which is going to be in the manifestation niche. Okay, now this is all part of a bigger, broader challenge that I had set for myself to try to become a Clickbank Platinum affiliate in 2025, all right, whereby we're going to start off with organic traffic, right? Do stuff for free and hopefully eventually get to the point where we're generating enough in income to reinvest into paid ads to speed up the process, especially if time's running out by the end of the year and we're not hitting that target. Now, if you don't know, a Clickbank Platinum affiliate is just basically one that has generated $250,000 in sales within the calendar year, right? So from January 1st all the way to December 31st, that $250,000 in gross sales has to be generated within that time frame. Okay, so that's essentially what we're looking to do there. And with that challenge, I was basically going to be at a place where I was going to be reporting or providing weekly updates. Okay, so I'll provide the update for this week. This would be week 4, which is the beautiful thing is this year of 2025 started on a Wednesday, the same day as when Clickbank week starts. So we'll have 52 weeks. Well, basically now we're 4 weeks deep into the year, and that leaves us with exactly 48 Clickbank weeks left, right? Or 48 weeks in the year. So it worked out just perfectly fine. All right. Now, I'll share a little more details about the case study further in the video, but for now, let's just go ahead and take a quick look at where we are right now as far as like the grand scheme of things, right? The journey to becoming a Clickbank Platinum affiliate. So this is from stuff that I had been doing prior, the sales that I've generated here. It's not much, right? But considering considering where we need to get to, right? But as a whole, right, for the month of January thus far, we're basically at $909, okay? $909, which is a very far cry away from the 250,000, right? Basically, we've almost hit 1,000, right? So we still got $240,000 left to go, right? This is in gross sales, by the way. This is not what I get to keep, right? I'll probably be keeping like maybe 75 to 85% of that, right? A lot of people I've seen make the huge mistake, or I don't know if it's intentional, deliberate, or accidental, where they're just not aware. They usually showcase these numbers down here as money that they're taking home, which is not really the case, right? That's gross sales. As affiliates, we only take a percentage, right? Depending on the products that we promote, commissions can range anywhere from 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80%, 80 plus percent, right? But for the most part, when we're promoting Clickbank digital products, right, which tends to be the majority of the products you have on Clickbank, the margins are a lot higher. So because they're digital products, the vendors, owners of the products can afford to give us those high commissions, right? 75%, 85%. And they know that once they get the customer, they'll make even more money on the back end. So that, on the surface, it may seem like outrageous. Like, how much do they get to keep if they're paying us affiliates that much, right? So, and think about it too. They have an army, there's multiple people like me, affiliates, who are generating sales for ourselves, but, they take a little bit from each one of those affiliates, right there, for not really doing any marketing. They're making a ton of money. So, but anyway, I digress. So, that's where we are at $909 thus far. So we still got a good, 240 something thousand, 249,000 plus to go, right? But anyway, this is, yeah, like I said, this is an account that I've been using for different stuff. Now, the case study that, this case study which we're starting today, which I don't know if I'll maybe try to update on a daily basis how things are going or what things are looking like. This is the account that I'm going to be using for that. So as you can see, there are 0 sales on there right now. Okay. 0 sales, and, essentially, I don't necessarily expect to make any sales on the first day, right? I haven't, today being the first day, I haven't started doing anything. But I guess if I do start updating on a daily basis, I'll just essentially share what I covered, what I did in terms of work, the day prior, and then I'll show you what we have in terms of results. So even if I don't generate sales, hopefully we will have some stats to report in the analytics section, right? I'll show you like the number of clicks we're getting, the number of order form impressions we're getting, if any, right? If people are actually going through, and then now going through to the order form, right? And then now, in case you're wondering, so what are the different platforms that I plan to promote on for this, this 28-day case study? Well, YouTube is definitely going to be one, right? That's, before the case study starts, if I were to guess and anticipate, I would imagine of all the different traffic, the different platforms that I intend to use to generate organic traffic, I believe YouTube is probably going to be one of the better performing ones. But we're going to use 6 as a whole, right? At least 6 that I have in mind as of, right now. Okay. So I'm thinking YouTube, Instagram, is going to be another one. Of all of them, I suspect, just because of the way the Instagram platform works and how it caters to promoting some of these products, I think the Instagram ones are going to probably generate me the most sales. I don't know. But anyway, so YouTube, Instagram, Threads, okay, Threads. Then we're going to be doing TikTok for sure as well. TikTok, what was the other one? Pinterest, we'll try that, see how things go there. And there is one more that I'm missing that is just not coming to mind right now. Facebook, there we go. So those 6 will be the ones that I'll be using in this 28-day case study. And essentially we'll be looking to see how, what can we do in 28 days promoting one product, right? We're promoting this, promoting this one product across those 6 different platforms, right? And the goal in the case study with all the different platforms, right, is to produce at least 3 pieces of content, right? For 28 days straight. So it's going to be tasking on my end as well, right? Trying to make sure that I produce at least 3 pieces of content for each one of these 6 different social media platforms, right? Generating in an effort to generate traffic to send to that one particular product. Now, you're probably wondering what the product is that I'm going to be promoting. Let's see. Let's go into the Clickbank marketplace. I will be happy to share which one it is. Let's go to the marketplace, and it is going to be, oh man, I got logged out. Okay. Anyway, I don't need to log into, well, let me do it just so that you can see, in case you have a hard time finding the particular product. Okay, so let's go into, let's see. Alright, so I do have to, alright, now that I'm logged in, maybe it'll let me go to the marketplace. Let's see. Marketplace. Okay, will it? Alright, so the product that we are going to be promoting is going to be one in this niche right here. The spirituality niche, spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. That is the category. And the particular product is actually one. Let me go ahead and see if it's still there, because you never know. Sometimes with these products, they come and go. You never know. But this is one that has been around for a while. So is it still there? Yes. Okay. So as of right now, the gravity score on this product is actually pretty low, 1.86. Now, I know a lot of times you'll see a lot of people will tell you, you always want to promote products that have a high gravity score. You know, typical Clickbank videos created by individuals, they'll tell you, oh, look for a gravity score of 20 or more, stuff like that. Sometimes you do have some hidden gems, right? Yes, if you're wondering what the gravity score is, by the way, it is basically a weighted sum that just gives you an idea of how many people are actually, how many different affiliates are actually promoting that product, okay? So every time you generate every time a new affiliate generates a sale of that product, that gives the gravity score a bump, right, of I think at least 1 or so. And then over time, the weight and value of that affiliate contributing to the gravity score tends to reduce, right, over a span of, I want to say 12 weeks, maybe. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. But it drops and drops and drops and drops and drops, and then if you make another sale of that same affiliate, then their weight will jump back up to 1, something like that, something along those lines. But anyway, that's beyond the scope of this video. When you see a gravity score of 1.86, that should tell you, you will know that at least, right, we have at least two, you know, at least one or at least 2 different affiliates have made a sale from that with that particular product. Okay, so hypothetically speaking, if I make a sale, this gravity score, you know, after we make after I make that first sale, this gravity score should jump from 1.86 to at least 2 something, right? So you know what, this is interesting. On a day, we'll come back on a daily basis just to, you know, follow up with the gravity score and all that. I'll check on the gravity score every day to see where it's at, right? 1.86, and if it drops, if it goes up, we'll know another affiliate made a sale, and we'll know whether it's me or not. If I make a sale and it goes up, we will know that it was because of me. Okay, so that's how that's gonna go. I will share, you know, as the case study goes on, I'll be sharing more and more details. I'll probably try to, for the sake of this particular case study, since it's only going for 28 days, I will try to provide like daily updates just to show where we are, how much work I've done, or like what I have done, what I have been able to do, what I wasn't able to do. And I'm basically trying to do this in a way that you too could, you know, if it's something that you want to try to do for yourself as well, you can do it too. But anyway, if you would like to get started learning how to promote digital products as an affiliate, or even create your own and promote them, check out the first link in the description below this video. You'll be able to get access to some training that will show you how to do exactly just that. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.